and in this video I'm going to explain the 3 key things that you need to do to succeed with YouTube SEO online. So these are the 3 key elements of YouTube SEO. So I'm just going to make this a very simple video. Number 1, thumbnails. Okay? Get your thumbnails on point. Just work on your thumbnails. You don't have to like just start off as like some Leonardo da Vinci thumbnails. You know, just whatever. Like just keep getting better. Like that's all you have to worry about. Your first couple thumbnails might be trash. Just keep making them. Keep looking at tutorials for them. Get your thumbnails better. Okay. Get really interesting images. Get things that would make people like, whoa, I gotta click that, or you know, that's really cool to see, or whatever. So, number 2, audience retention. Audience retention is important. So basically, like the quality of your videos will keep people at a higher retention of your page, and not just the quality of the videos. The video is the number 1 thing, but everything that you see on the page is going to keep that person on the page. So just think about that for a second. Everything. So even like little hashtags is like kind of like a new one. I make those look really clean. Like one thing that I recommend doing is before you publish a video, like look at it on a YouTube format. So like don't just look at it like say in the Creator Studio, like actually click on it and see what the video would look like from a user perspective. And I kid you not, more times than not you'll find 1 or 2 things that you're like, oh, let me change that after you see it in that viewpoint. So that's a really neat thing that you should try. And the last one is finding the right keywords for the titles and descriptions. So by keywords, hopefully if you're watching this video you know what SEO keywords are. You want those keywords in the right title and the right description. I always say topics are huge. Topics are money. Okay, so like find a good topic, but make sure you have those keywords in the title, in the first line of the description, and then probably somewhere else later in the description. They don't always have to say the exact same thing, like SEO video about YouTube, SEO in the description, SEO video about YouTube, SEO video. Like you can variate the keywords. You can, like the algorithms are smart. They'll understand that there's different ways to say one thing. Like it has like a built-in type of like thesaurus type of technology thing. So those are 3 keys for YouTube SEO, guys. Just review: thumbnails, audience retention, use the right keywords. Thanks for watching, guys. Innate SEO in the building. Peace out.